Hey, if you're considering a bathroom renovation, but you want to stay within a budget, but you still want high impact, you have to check this out. First thing we did in this bathroom was we removed a small vanity and added an 80-inch vanity with a quartz countertop and drawers down both sides for plenty of storage. The second thing we did was we got rid of the soffit light and mirror, and we added a 60 by 45 LED mirror for plenty of light. To add additional storage, we put in a linen cabinet and an over-the-john cabinet. We splurged by adding a skirted toilet and a bidet toilet seat. The biggest thing we did was we removed an awkward wall and a tub, and we replaced it with this rock and resin curbless shower pan and this heavy glass shower door. Inside the shower, we put two valves so that we can control the overhead shower and the wall shower, or have them run both at the same time. For a high impact, we use a 12 by 24 porcelain tile on the wall for its high shine and its durability. We wrapped it all up with this maintenance-free, organic-looking wood floor to give it a great contrast against all the white fixtures. If you like everything you see here, just go to our product page for more details. Now, the big question is, what was your favorite feature in this bathroom?